Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I have something different going on. This is a Custom Blythe doll, but she's not mine. She's been sent to me by her owner, Eileen, who also lives here in Scotland. She's asked me to try to repair the eye mechanism, repaint the eyelids, add on some eyebrows, and change her eye chips. Oh, she's written me a note here. Her Blythe is named Anna, and there are some instructions for the eye chips. Oh, and she's included a gift. Goodness. She's very well wrapped inside. Let's have a look at her. I'm so nervous. I've never worked on someone else's Blythe before. Oh, here she is. She's gorgeous. What a beautiful face, and I love her outfit. I believe Eileen has knitted her jumper. That's the artist's name on the back, Sparkling Autumn, and these pull cords are awesome. What beautiful beads. Well, I sure hope I can get her eyes working again. Okay, let's see the eye chips that Eileen has chosen. Right. Oh my gosh, I've just seen what this is. Thank you, Eileen. It's for my smart doll. That's so nice of you. Okay, I'll look at the eye chips first. Oh, these are lovely too. Oh, I think they're resin ones with flat backs. She wants these teal ones to be front facing. Yes, that'll be no problem. Okay, I've got to see what this is. I think it's a yukata. Yes, it is. Oh, here's a belt to go with it too. Oh my goodness, it's such beautiful fabric. And there are ties to hold it on too. Wow. I have to go try this on Akiko now. Thank you so much, Eileen. That is so generous of you. Here's my smart doll Dauntless wearing the lavender yukata from Culture Japan. It suits her so well. She just needs some Gita or Zori sandals to go with it now. I've tied the belt in a bow at the back. Oh, I love these sleeves. This is amazing. I'm so happy. I got right to work on Anna. Opened up her faceplate nice and easy. And started checking the eye mechanism. Something is preventing the eyes from changing when the cord is pulled. The cords were well glued on, so had to be cut off to separate the pieces. I think I can see what's happening, and I think it's the T-bar. This tiny piece that gets screwed into place, it's been trimmed at an angle, and that means the mechanism is slipping off of it instead of resting securely on top. It also looks to me as if it's slightly bent as well. I have squared off the top of the T-bar and I used my heat gun to warm it up and straighten it up again. I've screwed it in again, so let's see if it works. Yes, you should be able to see the gear resting on top of the T-bar each time it's turned. Before it was slipping off so the eyes couldn't change. Excellent. Okay, let's change out the eye chips next. I've been asked to leave one set in and change the rest. I have a tea light candle and a thick hot gun glue stick. I melt the tip of the stick and press it onto the eye, not letting it touch the white part. Let it cool completely, then get a good firm hold and pull on the stick. I haven't soaked or heated anything beforehand. The eye chip will peel right off the glue stick. I repeat and pull off the other eye chips. To put in the new eyes, I just add a little bit of glue. I have Mod Podge here. I'm just putting 2 spots, one on each side, where the eyes will sit inside the recess. This one needs a little bit more. I'm also careful to match the pattern on each eye. There we go. All the eyes done, and now to repaint the eyelids. I'll use a high grit sandpaper to remove the sheen. It looks like they were spray painted before, and that'll give my paint a key to stick to. Here I've mixed acrylic paint to the more natural shade that Eileen asked for, and I'm painting in thin layers. And I'm trying to cover the blue spray that would show around the lashes. Here I wanted to check everything looks and works fine before I bust out the airbrush and sealant spray. It's the next day now, and I'm giving Anna some eyebrows. I sprayed her with Mr. Super Clear beforehand, and I'm using pastels and watercolour pencils to draw in the brows. I then finish off with more Mr. Super Clear. Now, before I send her back home and show you her new look, I want to give her a special present. I used a tiny bear pattern I bought from TS Mini Bears, scaled up a little to make Anna a little bear friend to keep her company on the trip home. I'm sewing the limbs to be positionable. Aw, aren't they cute? And to make her bear look more realistic and worn, I brush on pastel to the seams. There we go. Much more interesting now. Here she is, and here you go, Anna, a new friend for you. Hold on tight. Well, what do you think of her? I'm so glad I was able to get her eyes working again and add a few extras so that she can be properly played with again. I know that Eileen will be keen to get her home, but keep watching till the end to see Anna get a wee look around this part of Scotland. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!